Hello everyone and welcome back to Axel Tech. Today I'll be covering Discord.py rewrite. And last time I covered async. Yes, I know it was outdated, but I decided that today we will just go for, I don't know, maybe just doing some rewrite and all that. So we're just going to get right into it just by going over what I use and all that. So I use Atom Code Editor. Looks like this. I like it. It's a lot of fun. And then my Python version is 3.7.5. We just pull up command prompt, and then I believe it's, yeah. Oh, I use 3.7.4, not 3.7.5. Change that real quick. And then to get Python, you just go to python.org. It'll take you to this website, and you go to downloads, and then I just go to my operating system, which is Windows, and then I grab the latest one. And then I just scroll down, and then I find, I normally use the zip-based installer, like embeddable zip, or that one as well. And just choose the one that's meant for you, and all that. And then I use my Discord.py version is the latest, so I'll show you how to install it. We'll just copy and paste that for now. It'll be down in the description. So what you're going to do is back to command prompt, and then you're just going to paste it in, and it will get everything you need ready and installed for you. So now we're just going to get into creating a new file on Atom. So what we're going to do is file, new file, and then we're going to want to obviously save it first. So we're just going to save this one as tutorial bot, no spaces, .py. You can name this whatever you want as long as you have the .py at the end. And then it will create a Python file. So now we just have to import all the Discord library. I'm just going to import Discord real quick, assuming that you already installed Discord.py. And then from Discord.ext, import commands. And so now we will define the bot. So what we'll do is bot equals commands dot bot, and then command underscore prefix equals, and then we'll just do exclamation mark for this one. Make sure you consistently save. It's Control S on Atom and most other things. So now we have the prefix for the bot, and we're defining that for every event that we call for, we are calling it a bot instead of a client. I like bot because it's faster to type out. And then next up is to run the first event. So this will call for every time the bot is ready for use. So this is really what starts the bot up and also just lets you know the bot is ready. So we'll just print, we can just print like YouTube test bot is ready. And now whenever it's ready, it'll be ready. And I did forget to do one thing. I forgot to put the token. So we want, this is something you'll need later, so just have that there. And then I believe it's just bot.run. Yes. And then down here we want to do bot.run, and then token exactly as you typed it right there. So now we're going to go actually get the token for the bot. So we're going to open this up, and we're just going to go discordapp.com, and then we're going to go to developers, developer portal, and it's going to make me log in. So I'm going to log in real quick on my other monitor for personal reasons. And if you're like me and you have two-factor authentication enabled, you actually have to go get a two-factor authentication code from your phone. So I'm going to quickly do that. And then I'll take you to, that's the wrong page entirely. Alright, this is the page you want to be at. So we're just gonna do that from start again. So we're just gonna go down to developer portal. And this is the website you will want to get. All the bots. Now we can just create a new one. We're just gonna name it, you're right, test bot. That's what the name of the bot's gonna be here. We need to go to bot and add it as a bot, and then yes, do it. That's gonna be its name. That's its discriminator there. So I always just say regenerate the token and then copy it. I'll show the token to you because I'm gonna be changing it after this video. Let's go back to Atom and paste it in. There. So now every time we run the bot, it'll do that. So we actually can run the bot. If I knew where I stored it. There it is. We double click on the file. So something's wrong. As I mess everything up. So the command prefix is not working. This is the fun part of coding. I believe I just missed. Alright, let's try that again. So as you can see, the bot is ready, but it's not in any servers yet. Like, it's not in my test bot server. So we need to get it in here. So what we need to do is we need to go back to our developer portal. And from there we need to go to OAuth2 and then click on bot, copy that down there, and then paste it up there. So now we want to invite it to testbot, and then we want to authorize it. It's going to make us do this reCAPTCHA thing. And now it's authorized, so if we come back, the bot's in the server. I'm just going to give it a role. And it doesn't have any commands except for help, I believe. Yeah, so it has help. So we're going to quickly remove that command. Just, I don't like the look of it. We are going to make a better help command later down the line. So what we're just going to do is to do that, we just do bot.remove command and then parentheses help. So now if we restart this application by rerunning it like that, now there should not be any help. Yeah. So as you can see, the bot is not sending a message this time. So now what we want to do is, see, it's not even found because we removed the command. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add a command for now. So we're just going to add a simple command. Command, and then that, and then async def. We'll just do ping. You want to pass contacts. I always do just in case if I need it for later. Just want to say, oh wait, we actually need CTX for this one. CTX dot send, and then we'll just do pong. So now if we rerun this thing, the bot, we should have a ping command. Yeah, so now we have a ping command. So now we know that you made a working command. So our next goal is, I don't know, we have the basic bot. You know, let's do a help command for now. So So we'll just do that, and then again, same thing. Except for we just change that, and then CTX. It's important that you follow everything that you see there as seen. Because it is important to how the bot works, because if you don't have that, and then you just do wait, CTX dot send help. So now if we try to even run the bot, it's just going to instantly crash because you didn't do that right. So now that we fix those errors, if we run it, it'll turn on, and then if we just go, see, look, it responded to my help with help. So what we can do is we can just make it say help command is under development. So now if we just restart the bot, I don't know why I have two of them running for some reason, and then we just relaunch the bot. And then try the help again. We will see that it now says it is under development. So next up, you always want to save your work, but for now we have that of bot. So with the token, you do not ever want to share the token with anyone, because someone can use it to hijack your bot and do random things with it. They can write their own code using the token, so it's important you never share it. I shared it for video purposes. I am changing it right after this video, so the token will no longer work no matter how hard you try to copy it. But later down the line, we're going to do embeds, which look really cool. I can make a test one real quick. I'm not going to go into depth in embeds yet. I'll show you what they look like. So we need context or CTX, and then we just want to do t embed equals new Discord embed, and then title equals test, then equals test 2, and then so now what we need to do is we're just gonna add a field, so we're just gonna do name equals t3, and then value equals t4, and then await ctx.send embed equals t embed. And then if we execute the bot again and run it, that should work. So it didn't work because I didn't do something right. Oh, because I spelled test embed wrong. So we'll start that back up again. So now we can do test embed. So now we see that we made an embed. So down the line we're gonna get more complicated with that. We're gonna make user info commands and stuff like this and all that. So yeah, we will get into that later down the line. Even a custom help command, which has reactions, it is reaction based. Pretty nice, so yeah, we'll get down to that in the next couple of videos, but for now, that's it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next Discord.py rewrite video. Have a good one.